If your business has been impacted negatively by the current economic climate, then you need to know the types of resources available to you. In this video, we will discuss the Business for All grant. You can apply for grants up to $50,000 to support business growth. Business for All grants help small businesses in crisis. Mentors are Gwyneth Paltrow, Pitbull, Kristen Bell, Lisa Price, Rebecca Minkoff, Phyllis Newhouse, Zoltet, Jeff Hoffman. So those are the mentors that will be made available to you. To apply for the grant, just go apply. And please note that the General Business for All grant applications are due September 25th, 2020 at 12 a.m. PT. Just click on apply for grant and it'll take you to the application page. It tells you what it's all about. It's a national movement to lift up 100,000 small business owners to receive funding and mentorship. By completing the application below, you'll be eligible to receive up to $50,000 in grant funding. And it gives you, just some of the other details about the application. Now note though that the Hello Alice COVID-19 Business for All emergency grants are now closed, and it's in partnership with Verizon. Every applicant will receive access to opportunities, guides, and network to help their business grow. You put your information, first and last name, gender identification, racial. You go on and just fill out, as needed. Then you go to the company, name of your company's website, fill out the details for your company. It asks for your federal employer identification number. Now, if you don't know what this is, we have done a video before on the federal employer identification number, EIN. Check out the link above to find out more information about EIN. You put on the information, brief description of your company, the company's industry, type of business entity you operate. We've done this in the previous video. If you don't know what this is about, check out the link above for our video on business structure. Fill out all the information about your annual revenue. If you've been getting value from this video, please like this video and consider subscribing to our channel for more information about business. Let us know in the comment section what you think about this grant. How is it going to help your business? I cannot believe that there are some people that are doing this. Kudos to the organizers. Up to $50,000 to help small businesses. These are the types of information they need to be able to give you the grant. Your biggest challenge, top channels to acquire customers. This is just to show you what to expect. If you would tell the President of the United States one thing the federal government could do to support the growth of your businesses, what would it be? Elaborate on how the federal government can support your business in 2 sentences. If you could tell the mayor one thing the city could do to support the growth of your business, what would it be? Elaborate. If you want to go through the the rules and regulations and conditions, you just click here. It shows you what the terms and conditions are. No purchase necessary or other costs to enter the contest. It shows you the eligibility, guidelines, contest period. It will end September 25th. You're still able to get this particular $50,000 grant. So it shows you how to enter. I just walked you through the application. Limit 1 entry per entrant and per officer. Multiple entries received for any entrant or officer after the first entry received from the entrant or officer is void. Tells you the entry qualifications and the other terms. The odds of winning will depend on the number of eligible entries received during the contest period. Positive impacts of your business. What else should they know about your business? And then it goes into the optional survey about COVID-19. What is the total capital you think you need to have your business survive through the COVID-19 pandemic? So you put in your acknowledgements. Once you're done, you click submit, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.